So, perfect blue skies, almost no wind, beautiful sunshine. These are indeed conditions for the beautiful game. The backdrop here, picturesque, idyllic. No doubt one of the best days of the footballing calendar, and it has added to a really jovial, happy mood in the stands, helping to raise the level of sound by more than a few decibels. Shirt sleeve order, very much the dress code. Certainly this is a very, very impressive venue, quite a sight to behold. Well, if you did just miss it, we are up and running already. Jim, who do you reckon is pivotal?
Yeah, Robert Lewandowski. He's just about the perfect all-round striker. Not least because he can finish equally well with both feet, Peter. It's not all about his finishing, though. He's always on the shoulder, looking for that ball in behind, and that prevents the opposition defence from getting too high or, indeed, getting too comfortable.
Hard to disagree with that. It is the sort of situation he thrives in. Christensen plays it out to the flank. Wilson. It's got... has a hit! He's delivered all right! The breakthrough strike!
And how about the timing of the pass and run? They've worked it before and no doubt they'll work it again.
Deadlock broken, it's 1-0.
Still a fragile lead, though. They can't afford to sit on this.
Hoists it forward, and here's Lewandowski. Lewandowski!
Yeah, that's top defending and preventing him turning, which can open up many possibilities.
Perisic, and it's Wilson. Onyekuru. Just brushed off the ball there. Çalhanoğlu. Lewandowski. Hardly anything between the sides. And it's 1-0. That's a good block, but at the expense of a corner. Onyekuru gets it away. Goes for goal! Mighty close.
Oh, how close was that to going in? It only required the smallest of tweaks.
Cheju spreads it towards the left. Can't get the better of his opposite number. Onyekuru. He's away! Crowd calling for him to shoot. He's had a go! Back of the net! 2 up now, and they are cruising. And that really is so impressive.
Oh, look, it's always great to see a solo effort with a goal. It's the ideal combination of pace and control.
Well, that has changed the dynamic somewhat.
That second goal has such a polarising effect on prospective moods. I mean, one team are under more pressure now to get the next goal, and the other will fancy their chances of turning 2 into 3.
And here's Çalhanoğlu. Oh, sweet feet. Good challenge, he just stood firm. He is not one readily to admit defeat. Don't be surprised if he tries that again. Kimmich. And there is the half-time whistle. What have we learned from the first 45 minutes?
Well, it's looking pretty straightforward, Peter. They've got themselves into a very good position, so why dither from here when they can repeat their first half success with another show of strength?
A half of massive entertainment and excitement. A 2-goal margin, yes, but all things still possible. So we're already into the second period. Onyekuru. Onyekuru has got himself a free kick. And the referee has shown him a yellow card. Pass needed to be better than that, and he knows it. And he's there to hoof it away. Çalhanoğlu. Now it's Lewandowski. And a shot! Oh, that's a fine save!
Well, that was high-class goalkeeping there to back up his high-class wage.
Now it's Lewandowski. Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. Wilson. Chip through. Ball in, just miscalculated. Lobs it in gently. Zenit St. Petersburg claiming a corner, and the referee concurs. Final checks on the touchline, a change about to occur.
Well, you have to feel a little for the player being taken off here. I think he's been made the scapegoat after that, but I guess something had to be done. I suppose it did need a little change.
Cleared without complication. And it's Lewandowski. Dinks one in. Nice little chip. Christensen. Wilson. And it's got through. Nicely controlled. Hits one! No, not quite.
Good play all round. He was well hustled and still got a shot away.
Both sides then taking this chance to turn to their benches. Onyekuru. It's come through. And it's Lewandowski! Good run, lovely take, but that is where it stopped.
It didn't quite come off on this occasion, but it only needs a gentle tweak.
So there's going to be another change here.
Well, his stamina was called into question then, but there's absolutely nothing wrong with his heart and the efforts he put in. He was very willing, though, not quite able.
And the referee brings it to a close. So they bask in their win, a genuinely professional performance and a result which is well deserved. How do you look back on the game then, Jim?
Yeah, they had a game plan which was about hammering away in central positions, and it paid off. For me, they were persistent and ruthless.